Case name Shamit Gupta, age is 43 years, and today date is 26th of January 2024, and complaint of unclear speech, high pitch voice, and the soft voice. And the ENT finding is Interarytenoid Pachydermia. And I want speech sample before treatment. Say about yourself and your problem.
Yeah, I am Shamit Gupta. I have a high pitch issue. So when I speak on online videos or online conference, I sound like a female, as if a female is speaking.
पोस्ट थेरेपी वीडियो ऑफ शमित एंड टुडे डेट इज 2nd February 2024. तो शमित क्या प्रॉब्लम थी, व्हाई यू केम हियर एंड हाउ डू यू फील आफ्टर द वॉइस थेरेपी?
I came for the high pitch voice issue on 26 January. After 8 days of treatment, this is my sound which you hear. I am feeling much better now.
What was the ENT finding?
ENT has identified, they have diagnosed with me pachydermia issue. Okay, so even though I have a pachydermia issue, after this thorough treatment, I feel that my voice has become better than the previous voice.
So when you spoke to your friends or relatives, any feedback you got about the change?
Yeah, yesterday when I have talked to my colleague and friends, they say the voice has been changed and I sound better.
Okay, what is your profession? Where you studied?
I studied in IIT Madras in 2004, and I'm a manager in IT company.
Can we use your video for awareness purpose in the social media so that people having similar problem can get hope and motivation?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks for the giving permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive change, please like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope and motivation after watching this. Thanks for the watching.